Maddie, a gray cat with black stripes and a pink bandana, lived with Milo. Milo was an orange cat with stripes and a green bell. They were known as the laundry cats. One sunny morning, Maddie said, "Let's collect towels and blankets." Milo purred, "For the animal shelter." They strolled through the suburban neighborhood. At Mrs. Gable's house, they found fluffy blue towels. Mr. Henderson donated a cozy patchwork blanket. Soon their wagon overflowed with soft items. Back in their laundry room, sunlight streamed through the window. The washer and dryer hummed to life. Maddie carefully measured detergent. Milo sorted colors from lights. The warm, clean scent filled the air. Once dry, they folded each item with care. "Ready for delivery," Maddie chirped. At the animal shelter, happy dogs barked a welcome. Cats rubbed against their legs. The shelter director smiled. "You're a big help." Maddie and Milo arranged the soft towels and blankets. The animals snuggled into their new bedding. A little kitten purred on a blue towel. An old dog sighed contentedly on the patchwork blanket. Maddie and Milo exchanged happy glances. "They're so comfortable," Milo whispered. The shelter director said, "You made their day." As the sun set, Maddie and Milo walked home. "We helped them feel safe and warm," Maddie said. Milo nodded, his bell jingling softly. "Let's do it again soon." Back home, they curled up together. They dreamed of wagging tails and purring friends. The laundry cats knew their work mattered. Kindness, they learned, made the world brighter. And even small acts could bring great comfort. Especially to those in need.